Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Wise Choice channel. Yeah, this is Mr. Wise Choice. Yeah man, so I'll be doing the part 2 of the Holy Stone 450 mini drone. Yeah, so I'll be trying to see if I can, lift off this guy and show it works. Yeah, so it's on right now. So this is a sensor, obstacle sensor, and this would be the on and off button. Yeah, got the remote and press on. This would be the auto takeoff and landing button, and this would be for headless mode, but headless mode is kind of tricky to use, so wouldn't really recommend it. And you got your speed button, and it can also do flips. Yeah, so check it out when I lift it off and you see it flying. Yeah, I wanted to show how you connect you sync the remote with the drone. The drone is already on by turning on the power button. And you pull the left stick up and down till you hear that beep. And this headless mode button is also used to calibrate the gyro sensors. Once you see all of that, you should see a steady light come on. Yeah, lights are steady, so the drone is ready to fly. Yeah, also forgot to show you guys how you remove the battery by squeezing in these two sides, and you take the battery out. And this is where the charger goes to charge the battery. And that's the connection point there for the battery. Take the battery, make sure you get the connections right. Put it in. Lock it down. Turn it on. And it's ready to go. Yeah, peeps. So there is the Holy Stone 450 mini drone. When you calibrate it and sync the controller with the drone and do a takeoff and landing. Yeah, peeps, so that's a rundown of the Holy Stone 450 mini drone. My personal review, that it's a nice drone. Very nice drone. It comes with no camera, but it's a nice drone to fly indoor, and have some fun. Kids can use it, adults can use it. It's very nice. It can also do flips, obstacle avoidance. It can go into that settings that it doesn't it bounce off walls. Yeah man, so it's quite a nice drone. Very nice drone and very reasonable also. So I would definitely, give it a thumbs up. Yeah man, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Yeah man, so thank you for watching. Wise Child channel once again. Yeah, man. Have a blessed life.